Okay, so I got a big fucking box in the mail today, and for about an hour and a half I didn't know what the fuck it was, and then I remembered Nikki did something really cool, and now I'm super goddamn excited. You see how big this fucking box is? I'm antsy, and I'm kind of nervous, but I know what's in there, but you don't, and, well, you probably do because I put a title on the fucking YouTube video, but still, this is a big day. Fucking dogs. Alright. So apparently, they need to put it in this giant ass box. I'm not sure why, but this thing is really light, so I was concerned about that at first, but, I've waited like 3 months for this, so this one's pretty neat. This one's definitely worth the money before anybody starts saying, oh, I want one. This wasn't cheap. Wasn't cheap at all. So, there's a lot of balloon pops. You want some bubbles? The bulldog freaked out. That's awesome. Holy shit. Oh man. It's like it's almost too big for the box, but alright. Ta-da! Look at that shit. Look at it. Look at it. How cool was that? You gotta look at the outside of the box first. That's the dumbest picture I could find. This is pretty fucking legit, man. Can't get much cooler than that. We're gonna pause for a second, and I'll come back to you. Okay, so I had to shut it down for a second so I could take shit out of the box, stop fucking it up, and then, you know, fucking up this whole goddamn video. So this is one video, but it's kind of like two little pieces. So, I've got them out of the box. Box is over here. We'll do Sam first. Do a quick little zoom here. Look at that t-shirt. How cool is that shit right there? You got the mohawk and the beard. For some reason, it looks like fucking Sabretooth. Not sure what that's all about, but that is pretty damn neat. Got the first ever Sam Stackhouse pop vinyl. How cool is that? That's neat. Doesn't bobble. They don't bobble. Stand him up. Gotta be careful. Check that shit out. Got the beanie and everything. T-shirt. And then a tiny little tattoo up there. It's my tattoo. How cool is that? I am giddy. That is neat as fuck. How cool. You got old DG and Sam Stackhouse right there. First ever custom pop vinyls. Fucking sweet.